Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be installing this. It's a real quick video. So this is going to be the garnish that goes here. The reason why I picked this up was I just feel that it's a bit more matching with the car. So you have the silver here and the silver there. And then I just don't like the black being here. It's not really a big thing. It's just stuck on with some double-sided tape. So anyways, I just figure I would make this quick video, and I wanted to talk about, for my next video, got some bad luck today. I got a nail in my tire, and when I was looking at some videos online, I realized that the videos that are being posted for tire repairs are not actually very thorough. So I figure I'll make a video about that and show you guys the proper way of doing a tire repair. There's actually a lot that's involved, although it seems very simple, and this is mainly for the beginner. It's not for the expert mechanic, although it can be helpful, because I realized that when I was in automotive school a long time ago, I went through the whole tire repair thing, but they went over a patch plug. I'm just going to be doing a plug on mine. I'll probably be doing it on Friday because I ordered a particular plug that I like. So I'll be posting a video on that. But in the meantime, so I figure I'll make a video on the instruction, the theory on tire repair, and I'll do the actual demonstration of how it's done. But in the meantime, I'll be sticking this on here. Trying to do it with one hand here. And go. Let's see here. The only problem with this center garnish, when you stick this on, if there's ever a time you want to replace your stereo, or if you want to do any kind of stereo work, this piece here needs to come off. So this may become a problem when you are removing your stereo. But like I said, it's only double-sided tape, so it's no big deal. So that's how it looks on the car. I got this for about 10 bucks. I looked online these days, it seems to be selling for a lot more. This also comes in a carbon fiber, and I also saw a gloss black, but I find it hard to find the gloss black anymore. But so this is what it looks like. It's from far away. Hopefully you guys are interested in something like this. It's very simple. It takes no skill. But anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.